She walks in through the white noise glow, 1,000 eyes but no one knows. They call her name like it's a brand, but never ask who holds her hand. Every frame tells a different lie. Perfect skin, tired eyes, frozen in a moment's stare, while the world keeps pulling there. They see a body, not a soul, a moving image, never whole. She learned to smile, learned to pose, but kept her truth behind closed doors. You're more than the light they throw, more than the stories they don't know, more than the fantasy they chose. You're human underneath the glow. They say your name but miss your voice. They love the image, not the choice. Still you rise, still you stand, a real heart in a mortal land. Screens reflect what they want to see, a mirror built from fantasy. They write your past in permanent ink, but never pause to let you think. Famous loud, but silent stays after all the crowded days. In empty rooms with open blinds, you reclaim pieces of your mind. They never taught you how to fall, just how to give them everything. But strength is choosing when to leave, and walking out without explaining. You're more than the light they throw, more than the roles they don't outgrow, more than a moment on a screen. Your flesh, your breath, you're in between. They say your name like they own it, but you survive the weight of it. Still you rise, still you stand, a real soul in a digital land. No crown, no throne, just a woman standing alone. No shame, no blame, just learning how to say her name. You're more than what they try to frame, more than a chapter frozen in fame. If they listen, they might understand. You were never just a brand. Still you rise, still you stand, not a symbol, just human. The screen goes dark, but you stay real.